All about Symbian and mobile industry review.
We're here on the Sony Ericsson stand and we want to find out a bit more about the Vivaz. So we've managed to get a Sony Ericsson representative who I know is a bit of an expert on some of the features on this and where they've come from. So could you perhaps introduce yourself and tell us what you do?
Absolutely. Hi, nice meeting you guys. My name is Maiko Ishida. I'm a product planner for newly announced Vivaz and Vivaz Pro.
So I know there's a design story behind this, and Sony Ericsson called it the human curvature, but I'm sure there's a lot more to that. So can you give some inside insight on the design story of this handset?
Absolutely. We'll be having four beautiful colors, and all of them comes in this beautiful curvature. And there is many latest design technology we have applied on this phone to make this happen. Actually, this beautiful curvature, if you look at it deeply, we have added this polarizer effect, the polarizer painting on it. So what that makes it happen is when the light is touching directly, for example here, this light touched area is really bright blue. Whereas because this polarizer effect, the shadowy area becomes very dark color. So your eye all of a sudden is really focused on this light touched area, making you think the phone is actually smaller than it is. We have also played around a little bit more in terms of this light reflection. Here, if you see it here in the side panel, do you see this light reflection running straight? This, again, your eyes is really focused on this magical light illumination that makes you think the phone is really slimmer than it actually is. So it's all about this fantastic design, and together with its curvature, it really fits into your hand, and the weight of the phone. It really fits very comfortably in your hand. And this is something I work together with my fantastic designer Sadatsuki and Aoyagi, who has been doing a fantastic work.
Can you talk a little bit about the materials on the phone? Because I know this is one of the first Sony Ericsson Symbian handsets, at least with the glass screen, and what that does for the sort of user experience.
Absolutely. So because of having its glass screen, it makes the phone very slim. Have you seen such a slim, powerful device before? And if you put it inside your hand, can I borrow it for a second? It sounds very light.
It really fits in the hand, and it's light, and it just feels very, very nice indeed.
When I'm doing a product planning for a mobile phone, there's two things I just cannot forget. One is it's a mobile phone, mobile portability, the compactness, the lightness of the phone that you want to carry around. The second is speed. So I'll be showing you a demo later on, which you will really see the speed, the smooth speed that's running as you go into the UI.
I think my problem is going to be keeping my sister's hands off it, actually, because she's into video in a big way.
Stay tuned for more at All About Symbian and mobile industry review.